It's time for the grooviest space show around, where we know the difference between our parachutes and payloads. I'm talking about David Does Space. January 29th, 2016, 5:19 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. International Launch Services, which is just fancy smancy paperwork so that Lockheed Martin can launch on Russian rockets, is going to be launching a Ku-band communication satellite. What does that mean? Well, it means that we're going to be upgrading some digital TV for Europe. That's right, if you live in Europe, we got a communication satellite that is specifically designed to broadcast digital TV channels to you. So be happy that your cable is about to get upgraded. Now, what makes this launch neato is that this satellite will be using an EDRS. What is an EDRS? It is frickin' laser beam Wi-Fi, man! The satellite will have a laser beam on it. That laser beam will communicate to other satellites, kind of like fiber optic without the fiber optic. And it's kind of like real-time Wi-Fi in space. Once we put up a bunch of these EDRSs, then satellites will be able to communicate to each other in real time, like their own little network that they have going on. One final thing to note about this upcoming launch: it's going to be on the top of a Russian Proton rocket. The Russian Proton rocket is a hit or miss rocket, is what I would call it. I think they put it together with spitballs and duct tape, because the past 5 years they've had at least one failure each year. In 2012, there was 2 failures that year. I give this launch a 10.3% chance at a failure.